Oh my goodness. I decided to lay on the floor in the sunshine with my kitty cat. And I have ponytails. What she's doing to my ponytails. Candy Cat is loving on her mama. She's taking my hair, rubbing it all over her, so she's chewing on the ends of my hair. I think she's sucking on the ends of my hair. My goodness, she's being so cute. Ouch, I've got cramps in my back. I'm trying to lay down on the floor to straighten it out. It hurts so bad. I'm trying to work, and I'll tell you what, it's hard. Hard to work with the shoulder, and then my back hurts so bad doing it too. But look at this kitten. What are you doing, Candy Cat? What are you doing to Mommy's ponytail? What are you doing to Mommy's braids? Finally, I can at least braid my hair and get it out of my way while I'm working. I still can't put it up in a bun, though. Look, she's pulling on it. She's... You think she's going to get tired of doing this? Oh my gosh. Candy Cat, don't tear out Mommy's hair. Ouch! Don't! You're going to pull my braids apart. What? You're going to make a mess of my hair. What? What are you doing to Mommy's hair? She's going crazy. Ow! You're pulling on Mommy's hair. Ow! Ouch! What the heck? How long is this gonna go on, this pure torture? Why are you ripping Mommy's braids apart? What on earth are you doing, you goofball? Goofball. Okay, that's enough of this.